This is why you need to start DJing today. Imagine controlling the crowd's vibe with your beats. Let's dive in. Starting as a DJ doesn't have to be complicated. First things first, get yourself some basic gear. You'll need a laptop, DJ software, a controller, and headphones. Don't worry, you don't need the fanciest stuff to get going. Next, pick a DJ software that suits you. Serato, Rekordbox, Traktor DJ, there are plenty of options. Most have free trials, so give them a try. Now let's talk music. Create a playlist of your favorite tracks. The key is to mix songs that have similar tempos and vibes. Start with 2 tracks and practice blending them together. It's all about feeling the rhythm. Once you're comfortable, try adding effects and loops. This is where you can get creative and build your unique sound. Remember, practice makes perfect. Lastly, have fun. DJing is all about sharing your love for music and creating unforgettable experiences. The global DJ list will help you all these things. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Happy spinning!